Welcome to Baolida channel. Today I will introduce the solar greenhouse for you. Solar greenhouse is suitable for area where temperature is as low as -15 degree or more lower in winter, to grow warm season plants year-round without extra heating. Greenhouse is adopted with whole steel skeleton as the holders, which working life more than 20 years. Polycarbonate sheet life is at least 15 years. Large span column-free structure, spacious space, strong bearing capacity of the skeleton, and long life. The roof material should be 120 or 150 or 200 microplastic PE film, which the outer layer could be anti-UV. The film around could be PO film. Also, it could be sunlight board or can be changed according to client's requirement. Reasonable roof lighting angle, adequate indoor lighting, good thermal insulation performance and energy saving. In winter, use thermal insulation quilt, straw curtain for thermal insulation, and electric curtain rolling machine for rolling. And there is a side window system and the curved side, using the film ruler and insect-proof net.